Hi, Tabletop Sculpture continues with making a car. We are moving on really fast. So, the car. Let it be approximately of this size. It's even easier than the previous bus, because the previous video with the bus, because I already showed you everything. And the only thing which differs this car from the bus is that it has this motor part. Well, I'm making the old-fashioned car with like more or less square and high. I'm pressing here with my finger, and so I lowered the front side. But it doesn't look nice at all, so I actually work at it a little bit, not so geometrically. I press here, push here, I squeeze a little bit here, then I want to make it a little bit rounder, and I will add some wheels, not some wheels, exactly the wheels that it needs. But now I don't bother about like measuring this, if they're the same or not. I'm just making some kind of balls and sticking them together. If you are playing with kids and you're making a toy for your kids, then this is enough. For small kids, don't bother about the size and the quality of wheels as well. If you're making the model toy, model souvenir cars, then you can make it more precise. But for now, that's fine, that's okay. And you see the windows here. You see that I'm not drawing the lines, but I'm pressing, because if I would draw, then I have the line itself is not so straight, and I have this this piece left over at the side, so it's much better to press the lines. You see? So I have some kind of old-fashioned car like this. Which was perfectly good for now. If you want more modern car, then you take the same size, but you don't make it square. You leave it like an oval and a loaf of bread. Then you press it a little bit, and then you press it a little bit from both sides. You see, my like the lower part is flat, so it's very good to do it on the table, not like here in holding in the hands, but just on the table. Then the overall structure, shape will be more definite. And here, well, I made some kind of toy car. If you want something more precise and sports car, then make it like this. Well, not sports, but like more real car. You see? So I will show you another way to make the wheels so that they look a little bit more like real ones. For that, I use another tool, which is my finger. I put my nail, like my nail is an arc, like here, but it's bigger. So I am actually making this wheel arc with my finger, you see? And then I pull down what's inside, and it's look like it looks like a wheel. Next, I'm using this sharp edge of my finger and its roundness, like this. I'm doing this movement, but a little bit pressing. And then I press it a little bit more, and I squeeze it here and I pull it down. No, well, something similar. Then another one like this. This turned out not so accurate, but it's okay. I will fix it a little bit. And the last one like this. And you can leave this car without any drawings, any marks of line or lines. Why not? Let it be just if you will paint, if you are going to paint it after that, to draw, to color it, then you will be able, you can draw the windows and lights on it later, or just leave it as it is. You see? Okay, so we have a bus, a big car, a modern car. Now we just need a truck, and I will show it in the next video.